AMC is going to $100,000. And just a few days ago, if someone were to say that to you, no one would believe you. And on my channel, I've been talking about AMC going to $100,000 a lot. So if you guys want to be up to date with AMC, make sure you guys subscribe. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining how easily AMC can go to $100,000. So guys, make sure you guys watch through the entire video so that you guys do not miss any key important information about what it will take for AMC to reach $100, $200, and then $100,000. And now, first things first, I would like to talk about the CEO of AMC, right? So, Adam Aron, he's the CEO of AMC, and his wealth has obviously soared a lot by more than $200 million from the retail investor rally, right? So, retail investors, that is just the normal traders, not the institutions. And so, one thing that I want to point out about the CEO of AMC is he has not sold any shares, according to the SEC, but other executives have. Other executives have, okay, that could be anyone, just anyone on the AMC team. However, the CEO himself has not sold any shares. So, what does that tell you guys? He is either holding just for the retail traders because he understands how helpful the retail traders have been to him. So, he wants to give back in a sense that he is not going to sell his shares or he has not sold them yet, or he personally believes that AMC does have a high likelihood of reaching $100, 150, 200, 1,000, and even higher. And in my opinion, I also believe that AMC has a really high potential of hitting $100, then 150, then 200, and even $1,000. And then after $1,000, we will all have to see about the likelihood of AMC reaching $100,000. And if you guys watch till the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you guys the technical analysis. And I stated in my previous videos that as soon as AMC hit $36, that was a time for a lot of people to just go long, or it's obviously your choice because I'm not a financial advisor, but at least that's the trade that I took. And I just mentioned that $36 was a major resistance, and as long as $36 was broken, because that was the all-time highs, this stock was limitless. And that is exactly what happened today. The stock hit a high of $72, and I expect this stock to rally in the future, to continue rallying, right? And also, we know about the institutions. We know about a lot of institutions that have been buying AMC, and I'm going to get to all that in just a few seconds. The next thing that I would like to talk about is the fact that AMC is doing a special promotion, meaning that they're actually going to introduce the Investor Connect to embrace its retail apes. That is exactly what AMC is trying to do, and this is actually really amazing, and it actually is, again, just adds on to my thesis as to what the CEO of AMC is trying to do. Not only is he not selling his shares, meaning that he is actually keeping his shares, or at least that's what the SEC filings show, but he is also planning on, paying back the retail traders of AMC by giving them special promotions like free popcorn. So for anyone that did not know this, I think this will also drive the price up for AMC because, again, as long as these connections are established between the CEO and the retail traders of AMC, this just adds on to another catalyst that is moving forward for AMC. Obviously, we all know that momentum really drives volume, and volume drives price, and volume predicts price. So this is amazing news. I'm actually really happy to see that they are potentially going to be doing promotions like giving out free popcorn and just a lot of other promotions. And this is exactly what the CEO of AMC said. So Adam Aron said that AMC Investor Connect will put our company in direct communication with a retail investor shareholder base that owned more than 80% of AMC at last count. Many of our investors have demonstrated support and confidence in AMC. Okay, so that's perfect. And then we intend to communicate often with these investors and from time to time provide them with special benefits at our theaters. Okay, so I actually did not know that. So they're actually not going to have just one promotion, but they're actually planning on continuing out this promotion for a while, it's not just temporary, it's actually going to happen for a long time. So these promotions are actually not going to go away. So that's even better. And also, yeah, so it is the confidence in AMC. That's why the CEO of AMC is doing this, because he really just wants to give back to the confident AMC shareholders that were holding a long time ago. And so again, from time to time, provide them with special benefits at our theaters. We start with a free large popcorn on us. when they attend their first movie at an AMC theater this summer. So, again, what I'm trying to say is that this summer, so that's why I don't think the price of AMC will fall for, permanently. I think that even if this price of AMC does fall, I think that it will be completely temporary because the hype and the momentum for AMC will come back, guys. Because if you look at this statement right here that Adam Aaron said, he said that this promotion will be ongoing throughout the summer. And the summer is not here yet, guys. The summer is like July, August, June. And I know that we're in the beginnings of June, but really, summer hasn't really started yet. But as soon as summer starts, AMC could actually rise even higher just because of their promotions that are going to be ongoing in the summer. And I actually did not even know that when they were going to do the promotions, but it seems as if they're going to be starting their free popcorns in the summer, which is really good. And then it even says that investors are encouraged to register and claim their award. So AMC literally wants you to claim, their promotion. They want you to claim the award just because you are a shareholder of AMC. So again, guys, momentum will definitely drive the stock higher. I am looking at $100 for AMC just based off of the connection between the CEO of AMC, which is Adam Aaron, and also the connection between the CEO to the retail traders, because this right here is actually, I think, what drove the stock up so high today. The fact that they were actually doing these promotions really shows that AMC is actually starting to become more stable of a business, and this business is actually going to do well in the future, unlike GameStop, which actually does not have as good of a business model as AMC does, which is what Jim Cramer said too. Okay, guys, so I'm now in the technical analysis of AMC, and now I know what a lot of you guys are probably thinking. What are we even supposed to determine from this chart? And this is the 1 year, 1 day chart. I recommend for everyone that is in AMC, if you guys bought AMC at $72, let's say you're bag holding right now, right? I think that in a few days you won't be bag holding just because I think this stock is going to at least $100. But again, that's just my opinion. I am not a financial advisor, but I really recommend looking at the 1 year, 1 day chart. And that is because if you guys look at the 1 minute chart, you guys will not understand anything that is going on with AMC, okay? You guys will look too closely at the individual candles and you guys will miss out on the bigger, the more massive moves that will actually drive the price of AMC to $100, not just $5 up, but actually to like 50 points higher and probably even 100 once we go to possibly and potentially $200. So again, that's why I really recommend going on the 1 day or 1 year chart. So from this, what I really want to emphasize is the fact that these indicators don't matter anymore, okay? Because what they're going to do is they're actually just going to end up, preventing you from possibly and potentially becoming a shareholder of AMC because everything is going to be way too overbought, okay? And one of the things that I want to tell you guys is that AMC is now worth more than Etsy. It is now worth more than Teladoc, and it is now worth more than the entire GDP of Iceland. Okay? I don't think a lot of you guys knew that. So at this point, if you guys are looking at the charts, the fundamentals really doesn't matter anymore about AMC. And honestly, the technicals doesn't really matter a lot either at this point, unless you are looking at like the 5 minute candles, which of course, or the weekly. The weekly would also be a really good indicator to look for. However, the RSI and the MACD, I just really don't think that they're going to end up helping you. I actually think that they're going to make you sway away from AMC, right? Because it looks to be a little bit too overbought on both sides. However, what I would recommend is looking at the volume, because remember I said that momentum also leads to like volume increases, and volume is really what is going to determine how much momentum there is in AMC, which is what I'm looking for, right? If I see that the volume starts to have a lot of red candle bars and is just starting to decrease consecutively, not just in 1 day, because remember, guys, I don't think AMC, even if it does sell off 1 day, let's just say hypothetically it does, I think that inevitably the price will continue to rise 1 day or another. It might have to take a week, it might have to take 2 days, it might have to take 3 days, or it might have to take like more than a month. I don't know, but I don't think that AMC is going to be gone because of their promotions throughout the entire summer. So therefore, I do not think the momentum of AMC will decrease anytime soon. And so again, that is all related to the momentum, which is why I'm going to be looking especially at the volume bars, okay? I really would not recommend looking at RSI or MACD. And make sure you guys understand who is buying AMC at this time, right? So in my previous videos, I talked about two institutions buying AMC, and they have a massive stake in AMC. One of them is Vanguard Group, and and the other one is BlackRock. They both have more than 2% in AMC, right? Which is a lot because these are massive institutions, right? They don't just deal with hundreds of thousands of dollars, they deal with hundreds of millions of dollars. So I think Vanguard Group has about 5% in AMC, whereas BlackRock has about 2.10% in AMC, which is really phenomenal because back then, all you would hear about is the possibilities of AMC going bankrupt. So it's amazing to hear this change in sentiment about how people are thinking about AMC, right? Because now you don't hear a lot of people talking about bankruptcy. All you hear about is the price rising, which I think will continue on throughout these next couple of months and these next couple of weeks because I think AMC is going to go to $100 a share. Now, remember, guys, that is just my opinions. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you guys want to know more about what the CEO of AMC is saying and just more updates about AMC, make sure you guys subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.